In the unpredictable journey of life, safeguarding what we own becomes paramount. Property and auto insurance serve as vital tools in this endeavor, providing a safety net against unforeseen events. Imagine facing a sudden calamity, perhaps a house fire or a car accident, without the assurance of insurance. The financial and emotional fallout could be overwhelming. Thus, understanding and investing in these insurance types is essential for protecting our assets and ensuring peace of mind. Insurance may seem complex with its myriad terms and conditions, but at its core, it provides a straightforward promise to protect and compensate. This promise has been a cornerstone of financial planning for millions. In 2023, it was reported that 95% of homeowners in the United States had some form of property insurance, highlighting its critical role in our lives. This essay aims to demystify property and auto insurance, making them less intimidating and more accessible. Consider insurance as the reliable friend who is there to catch you when you fall. With the right coverage, the impact of life's inevitable mishaps can be significantly reduced. For instance, without auto insurance, even a minor fender bender could lead to substantial out-of-pocket expenses. It's clear that both property and auto insurance are essential components of financial well-being and resilience. In essence, property and auto insurance are not just about protecting physical assets. They also provide emotional security and financial stability, allowing individuals to focus on other priorities without the constant worry of potential losses. As we delve deeper into each type, you'll discover how they work, why they're necessary, and how they can be tailored to fit your unique needs. Property insurance acts as a shield against risks to your home and belongings. It includes various coverages for specific needs. Homeowners insurance covers damages from fire, theft, or natural disasters. It helps repair or rebuild homes. Renters insurance protects personal belongings. It covers losses from similar perils. For example, it helps replace items after a flood. It's a small investment with big benefits. Condo insurance covers the unit's interior and personal property. The condo association covers the building. This dual protection ensures comprehensive coverage. For instance, a kitchen fire would be covered by your policy. Additional coverage options include flood or earthquake insurance. These are crucial in high-risk areas. Understanding these options provides peace of mind and financial security. The necessity of property insurance becomes glaringly evident when considering the frequency and cost of property damage incidents. In 2022 alone, natural disasters in the United States caused over $165 billion in damage, impacting countless homes and businesses. Without insurance, many homeowners would face financial ruin trying to rebuild from such devastation. Property insurance offers a lifeline, enabling recovery and reducing the long-term economic impact on families. Real-world examples further illustrate this point. Consider the case of the 2023 California wildfires, which led to the destruction of hundreds of homes. For insured homeowners, the journey to recovery, although challenging, was manageable due to the financial support provided by their insurance policies. In contrast, those without coverage faced insurmountable debts, and, in many cases, the loss of their homes altogether. This stark contrast underscores the vital role of property insurance in safeguarding against the unpredictable forces of nature. Statistics also reveal that property crime, including burglary and theft, affects millions each year. According to the FBI, there were approximately 6.9 million property crime offenses in the U.S. in 2023. Homeowners and renters insurance not only cover the physical damage caused during such incidents but also help replace stolen items. This financial backing is crucial, as it allows victims to recover without depleting their savings. Moreover, property insurance contributes to a broader sense of stability within communities. Insured homeowners are better positioned to maintain their properties, contributing to neighborhood resilience and overall economic health. In times of distress, the collective security provided by insurance can foster a supportive environment where recovery is not only an individual journey, but a communal effort. Section 4. Navigating auto insurance. Auto insurance is essential for vehicle ownership, covering various incidents. Liability insurance, mandatory in most places, covers damages you cause to others. Without it, accidents could lead to financial ruin. Collision insurance covers your car's damage from accidents. Comprehensive insurance covers non-collision incidents like theft or natural disasters. Uninsured motorist insurance protects against drivers without sufficient coverage. Personal injury protection covers medical expenses for you and passengers. Tailor your policy to drive confidently, knowing you're protected. Section 5. The importance of auto insurance. The importance of auto insurance is underscored by its role in ensuring financial security and compliance with the law. In 2023, there were over 6.5 million police-reported traffic crashes in the United States, leading to significant injuries and property damage. Auto insurance acts as a financial buffer against such incidents, preventing accidents from becoming financially catastrophic for those involved. Without insurance, victims could face exorbitant repair bills and legal fees, potentially bankrupting even the most financially prudent individuals. Moreover, the benefits of auto insurance extend beyond individual protection. By ensuring that all drivers have coverage, it reduces the overall financial burden on society. For example, uninsured drivers contribute to higher insurance premiums for everyone else, as insured drivers end up subsidizing their costs. Thus, widespread auto insurance coverage not only aids individual recovery but also stabilizes insurance markets and promotes fairness. Statistics highlight the protective nature of auto insurance. In 2023, insured motorists involved in accidents were able to recover more than $45 billion in claims, a testament to the financial relief provided by having proper coverage. This figure underscores the critical role of insurance in facilitating quick recovery and reducing prolonged financial strain. Furthermore, auto insurance fosters a sense of responsibility and accountability among drivers. Knowing that their actions have financial consequences encourages safer driving practices, ultimately contributing to road safety. It's not just about protecting oneself, but also about creating safer communities where everyone can benefit from mindful and cautious driving habits. Section 6. A complementary duo: property and auto insurance. Property and auto insurance work hand in hand to form a comprehensive safety net for individuals and families. Together, they cover a wide range of potential risks, from natural disasters and theft to car accidents and liability issues. This complementary relationship ensures that, regardless of the scenario, individuals have a financial buffer to fall back on, preventing one misfortune from derailing their financial stability. The synergy between these two types of insurance is evident in their shared goal: protecting assets and promoting peace of mind. For instance, a family with both types of coverage can rest assured that their home and car, two of their most significant investments, are protected. This dual protection is crucial, particularly in times of crisis when simultaneous incidents might occur, such as a storm damaging both property and vehicles. Furthermore, having both property and auto insurance can often lead to cost savings. Many insurance providers offer bundling discounts for customers who choose to insure both their home and auto with them. This not only reduces premiums but also simplifies the management of policies, creating a streamlined approach to insurance planning. Ultimately, the combined protection offered by property and auto insurance empowers individuals to face life's uncertainties with confidence. Knowing that there is a safety net in place allows for better financial planning and security, enabling individuals to pursue their goals without the constant fear of unforeseen expenses. Together, these insurances offer a holistic approach to asset protection. Section 7. Call to action: secure your peace of mind. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, securing our peace of mind through comprehensive insurance coverage is not just advisable, it's essential. Property and auto insurance provide a solid foundation upon which individuals can build their financial security, protecting against the uncertainties that lie ahead. By investing in these insurances, you not only safeguard your assets but also ensure that you and your loved ones are prepared for whatever challenges arise. Taking action begins with evaluating your current insurance coverage. Are your policies aligned with your needs? Do they offer adequate protection for your home, belongings, and vehicles? If the answer is no, it may be time to consult with an insurance professional who can help tailor a plan to fit your specific circumstances. Remember, insurance is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It should reflect your unique lifestyle and risk profile. Additionally, consider the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for life's unexpected twists and turns. With the right insurance, you can focus on what truly matters, living your life to the fullest, pursuing dreams, and creating lasting memories with those you love. It's an investment in your future, one that pays dividends in security and tranquility. In conclusion, don't wait for disaster to strike before taking action. Secure your peace of mind today by ensuring your property and auto insurance policies are up to date and comprehensive. This proactive approach not only protects your financial well-being but also empowers you to face the future with confidence and optimism.